shooting this quick video to tell you all about Bulldog Marketing Group. We're now building websites. I was a contractor. I was there. I was doing exactly what you're doing. And now we decided to build websites like I did for myself successfully so that you could do what you do best, and that's take care of your customers and leave the marketing to us. The process of building a website is really simple. We'll first collaborate with you. We'll go over everything you do, your logistics, your locality, what you specifically do, what you specialize in doing. And from that point, we're going to take all that information and just straight up build you a great website. A website is nothing without it being maintained, without it being blogged, and it was what we call SEO. If a website isn't set up right for the search engines and it's not taken care of properly, it means nothing. You're going to have a website that's going to be on the last page and nobody's going to be able to find you. With what we do, with us blogging, with us doing press releases, with us adding video content, a whole library of stuff that we could give you for your website, it's going to get your rankings all the way up there. And by doing so, you're going to get found. Bulldog Marketing Group is different than any other website company in the fact that I've been there. I've been in your shoes. I've built companies before. If I could have focused on my work and my customers and less on the marketing, it would have helped me immensely. And that's why I'm doing this. Let us take your business to the next level and help you crush your competition. For more information, visit bulldogmarketinggroup.com or give us a shout in the office.